Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to compare the traditional web hosting and cloud web hosting for WordPress websites for speed. So you can see this is a website that I just deployed on the cloud, and there is another website that is on the traditional web hosting, basically shared hosting, and there is the speed of the shared web hosting WordPress site, and here we have speed of this cloud hosted or cloud powered WordPress site without any optimization. However, this is fully optimized, so I have used many plugins to optimize this website. Still, it's not performing well. It performs few days, then again the performance goes very low, so it starts loading pages in more time, very slowly. So if you want to increase page load of your website, go ahead and move your site from traditional web hosting to cloud. So there are many cloud service providers, cloud hosting, web hosting service providers for WordPress. Some of them are managed and some of them are very costly. So for this site I'm using UpCloud. They have plans starting from $5 each month for their server. And okay, so after deploying this site I did not do any optimization, and here is the website. The home page has multiple images and a little bit of content, so this seems to be long enough home page. Now you may have even longer home page, but that's okay. You can optimize it. It's not yet optimized. So you can see I'm getting 100 on the desktop, 99 on the mobile, and this is still optimizable. So I can go ahead and optimize these things here that you see. Next gen formats. So I've gone ahead and tested this on all major page speed tools. So this is GTmetrix, that's giving me A and B, so there's still chance for this optimization. I will go ahead and add some browser caching website plugin on this website. Then there's another plugin for add expires headers that is going to improve the why slow scores and CDN can be added. It's not added yet. Now I've gone ahead and tested this on web page test. You can see everything is A except this cache, static content, and security. So this site has no SSL yet deployed on it. Then I've gone ahead and tested it on this ping DOM, and that's the score without optimization. You can see it's loading in just 162 microsecond. So again the same thing, add expires header that you see here on GTmetrix.